Hi love, if you wanna know how I restore this old, dirty and tangled wig, please stay tuned.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see.
You only need a brush like this one. You can get it at any beauty supplies and Johnson's head to toe wash and shampoo. As you can see, this unit is very tangled and dirty. I was ready to throw it away. With cool water in a container, bring 1/4 of shampoo and make sure it's completely dissolved. Make sure the unit is completely submerged and wait for at least 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you can start gently scrubbing the cap. Look how much dirt came out. Now you want to rinse several times until you don't see any bubbles in the water. With a towel, I'm going to eliminate the excess of water. Once I secure my unit, I'm gonna start untangling the hair. Always start brushing from the tip to the root so you don't damage the wig. Now that the unit is completely untangled, you want to let it air dry. This is how it came out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see this beautiful look, let me know in the box down below. Thank you for watching. Mwah.